Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going for a wander down to Dashing Rocks in Timaru. It's a favourite spot of mine, but I haven't been here for a while, so I look forward to exploring. Hopefully it's not too busy and hopefully we have some good luck. I do love how with this spot you kind of get the mix of forest and ocean, you know? Wouldn't quite call this a forest, but it's just nice being able to go from that to that. Wait a minute, do you see that? It's a big seal. Big fur seal. Hey buddy. The sky is so pretty over here today. Just gonna wander right along to the end so I can start over that way and then make my way up and over there. This right here is my version of Candyland. What's that? It's a bit funky. Is that pet wood? I'm not sure. Kind of has a grainy texture. Kind of focus. Yeah. That's nice. Love the colour. And a tiny piece of beach glass, not that you can see under the sand. Oh, there's more seaglass. Love that. What a nice colour. Might keep that. What's that? Wow. See, I don't usually collect shells, but they're connected and they're purple. Okay, maybe just these ones. I've been getting into it more because I started tumbling some that I had sitting on my desk for quite some time. And they came out so pretty, and I put some together as a necklace and it had come out just amazingly, and then I just kept wanting to. It's funny because like of the water splashing up, it gives that little dose of fear. That tiny little dose of fear is what makes coming here exciting. Yes, I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna head back now. That was really cool though. Really enjoyed being here, so I'm gonna walk back to the beach. Might find some more stones along the way, but honestly that hasn't even been the highlight of today. It's just an added bonus. I just love it here, and I haven't been here in ages, so it's been really cool to be back. Can you see the starfish? Look. Oh, I can see another starfish. Look. Oh, so sweet. Just gotta wash this off real quick. There we go. It's very funky. Quite cool. Only a few finds today. There's some really cool ones. I love the details in those. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.